In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can make a Game Pass and set up your stand step by step here in Please Donate in 2026. Now, if you're in a game right now, you're going to want to back out of it. But before we get into the rest of the tutorial, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point through this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But once you're out of your game, essentially open up the Roblox web app just like so, just by searching roblox.com, sign into your account up in the top right corner. And once you're in this page, go ahead and select create. And then from here, it's going to redirect you to create.roblox.com. Now, once you are on this create page, go ahead and find your place on here. You might have to navigate to creations first and then find your place. Select it and scroll down on this left-hand sidebar until you see the monetization tab. And in here, you're going to see a passes section. Now, in this passes section right here, you're going to see all of the passes that you've currently made if you do have any on here. But essentially what you're going to want to do is hit create pass and then go through here, give your pass a name. You could give it a description if you want and then select create pass. This is free to do, but essentially once you do that, go ahead and, look on this left-hand sidebar. You might have to exit out and then find that pass that you just created and select it again. But look on this left-hand sidebar, select sales. And then once you are on sales, you're going to see the default price after you take it for sale. So go ahead and take it for sale. Then go ahead and list a default price and hit save changes. And I would also recommend just enabling regional pricing as well. As soon as you go ahead and list the item for sale, you can actually back out of this section and go back to roblox.com. Once you do get on roblox.com, go ahead and go to Please Donate and open it up. And once it opens up, go ahead and navigate to a stand and claim it. And as you can see, there is that pass right there that we just created. Now, if it's not showing up for you, that means that your experience is not public. So just go back to the creations tab and just make sure that your experience is public and you'll be good to go. But as soon as you do that, you are locked in. Your pass is now going to be in Please Donate. And you could just sit AFK and watch those Robux come in. Now, I'm going to be making a video here in the near future going over the best ways to get free Robux here in Roblox in 2026. So stay tuned for that. I would definitely recommend checking that out. If you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further though. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.